In this video, I'm about to compare Amazon Influencer Program and Affiliate Program. The Amazon Influencer Program and the Amazon Affiliate Program are ways to earn commissions by promoting Amazon products. The Amazon Influencer Program is designed to help social media influencers earn commissions by promoting products available on Amazon. It's easier for influencers to promote their storefront on various platforms. YouTube for video review, Instagram for lifestyle posts, etc., expanding their reach. However, it requires a significant social media following, limiting access to smaller influencers. The Amazon Affiliate Program allows anyone with a website, blog, or social media presence to earn commissions by promoting Amazon's products. It provides a variety of marketing tools like text links, banners, and widgets. However, it requires generating sales within the first 180 days to remain active in the program. Overall, the Amazon Influencer Program is for social media influencer, while the Affiliate Program is for anyone promoting products via links. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.